So you did the detox. Are you thinking, now what? In this video, I want to share with you 10 healthy habits to keep you on track. Hi, I'm Joy Carrozza with Enjoy It Healthy. First of all, congratulations for completing the Your Super 5-day detox. It wasn't that bad, was it? Comment below and tell me, did you find it difficult, easy, and how do you feel? Hopefully you feel amazing and motivated to commit to healthier living. The whole point of this detox, or any detox for that matter, is to act as a reset button on your healthy eating journey. I want to share with you why I continue to spend countless hours on the latest trends in nutrition. This is me about 25 pounds ago. On a 5'1" frame, that's a lot. Not many people in my life now know me as this insecure, pudgy girl. I hated how I looked, I hated how I felt, I was embarrassed to be around people. When I hit my lowest point, someone recommended a book called Overcoming Overeating by Jane Hirschman. I'll put the link below. But anyway, this made me commit to changing habits and seeking out safe, healthy ways to eat. I love cooking and baking. I have my own home bakery business and I make some amazing elaborate cakes and treats. I started this channel to share and review products that are healthy alternative ingredients, like Your Super, for example. And if you subscribe, hit the bell, and select all, you will get notifications on all my other videos when I post them. Okay, so here are my 10 healthy habits to keep you on track after you do your 5-day detox. Number 1, stay hydrated. Sometimes I think I'm hungry, but I'm really just thirsty. So if you slam a glass of water before you reach for that snack, you just might change your mind. Okay, so you know the rule, you drink half your weight in ounces of water at a minimum. I need to keep my eye on the goal. So I fill my 64-ounce bottle, and that's my goal to finish. Add some flavor. You can add Forever Beautiful to that, or one of their newest mixes. I love Moon Balance. So my new go-to water enhancer is Moon Balance plus a sprig of mint. Healthy habit number 2, change your mindset. Easier said than done. Instead of feeling like you're depriving yourself of the foods that you love and you're missing out on something, focus on fueling your body with delicious and nutritious foods. Turn it from a negative to a positive. Focus on how great you'll feel after choosing to eat that salad instead of some fatty, fried whatever. If you look at these cookbooks, like this one from Your Super, it has delicious, mouth-watering recipes in here that are really simple. Here's another one, 5-day real food detox with Nikki Sharp. She's a model, but she puts it in a simple way. I just made these black bean burgers the other day with the broccoli sauce. It was amazing, and the whole family loved it. Healthy habit number 3, seek out alternative ingredients. That's what my channel is all about. Swapping out ingredients that help you eat the foods you love, just healthier. What I'm talking about is like my ancient grain flour mix. That's why I developed it. Replace ancient grain flour with all-purpose flour. Replace refined sugar with maple syrup or organic coconut sugar. Swap your butter out for avocado oil or refined organic coconut oil. You get the point. Littlest changes can make a huge difference. Healthy habit number 4, portion control. I don't know about you, but I keep things in check by the quantity that I consume. Take, for example, Giada De Laurentiis. I just saw her. She's an amazing cook. I just saw her in an interview, and she said, people ask me all the time, how can you eat all that food and stay so fit? Well, her answer, exactly, was, I don't eat all the food. Portion control. You know, I'm a baker, and I taste the things that I bake, of course, I have to. And you know, I don't have to have the entire cupcake to enjoy it. Healthy habit number 5. Okay, find ways to sneak in nutritious ingredients. Your super mixes are perfect for this. Watch my video on the red lentil curry, and I sneak in some really good ingredients by using Mellow Yellow Superfood Mix by Your Super. Okay, you can check out my superfood salad recipe, and I put super greens in my salad dressing. It's such a good way to boost the greens in your dressing. Okay, but one of my favorite things to add to baked goods is this Muscle Power protein by Your Super. There's no artificial sweeteners in it, and it has a very neutral taste. So not only the Your Super, but you can add, I use nutritional yeast to boost up the protein in almost every dish that's savory. I throw hemp seeds on my peanut butter when I dip apples in it. You get the point. Sneak them in there. Healthy habit number 6. Commit to staying away from processed foods and refined sugars whenever possible. I mean, processed food is so convenient. It's ready to go. You can grab it and go, but it has so many additives and preservatives to keep it on that shelf and last for a long time. It really derails your healthy eating habits. So instead, choose fresh ingredients and make things from scratch. It's so rewarding. Healthy habit number 7. Plan your meals ahead and your snacks too. If you're hungry and you don't have a plan, you just tend to grab the closest thing, and we're busy and we just go and go. If you have a plan, you know you're going to be eating something nutritious. If you take the time to plan, you can save a lot of money too. Healthy habit number 8, explore what works for you. Everybody and every body is different. I have tried pretty much every diet trend and fad out there just because I am so curious about it and I want to see if it works for me or what works for me. Take, for example, the keto diet. So many people have tons of success with keto. I tried it. It wasn't for me. And honestly, I'm not willing to give up certain carbs. But about almost a year ago, I went plant-based. Well, I'm plant-forward, so I just focus on eating plants. And I still eat eggs, and I still occasionally have some seafood, but and honey. So I'm not a vegan, but that works for me. You got to figure out what works for you and what you can incorporate in your lifestyle. Healthy habit number 9: commit to staying active. This is so important. Okay, so I love tennis. I'm obsessed with tennis. I feel great afterwards. Social, but it's very time consuming. So I can't do it every single day. So I found rebounding. Rebounding is great. It's super fun. It's great for your lymphatic system. And I can squeeze in a quick 10-minute workout. Supposedly 10 minutes is equivalent to 30 minutes of running. But I can squeeze it in and it doesn't, I can still feel like I'm doing something. But whatever floats your boat, whether it's jogging, hiking, yoga, just commit to something active that you love to do. Healthy habit number 10. And this is an important one too. Cut yourself some slack. For most people, healthy living is a journey. If you binge a little or, kind of get sidetracked, it happens. Don't beat yourself up. You can always reset. Sometimes I just do a one-day detox and just get myself back on track. I always practice being kind to others, but I have to remind myself to be kind to me. So that's it. Those are my 10 healthy habits. I'm a fan of Your Super. I don't work for Your Super. I may make a small commission if you click on my affiliate link below, but that's not why I use them. I find the mixes convenient to use every single day and helpful to help me stay on the course, on the path to healthy living for me and my family. I hope you enjoy this video and subscribe to see more reviews on products and gadgets and all kinds of recipes that I use healthy alternative ingredients. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and comment below. Thanks so much for watching.